Jamie loved eating pizzas, chips, candy, and all kinds of junk food. He enjoyed them so much that he wanted them all the time. But after a while, Jamie started feeling tired and slow. He didn't even feel like playing anymore. His parents noticed something wasn't right. Too many packaged snacks can make you feel tired, his mother said. Your body needs healthy food to stay strong and active, his father added. They showed Jamie fruits, vegetables, and healthy meals. But Jamie wasn't sure if he would like them. He decided to try just one bite. Wow, this is actually tasty, Jamie said with a smile. Soon, Jamie started enjoying healthy food. And his energy started coming back. He could play again and felt strong and happy. But he still wanted candy sometimes. It's okay to enjoy treats sometimes, his father said. But healthy food should always come first, his mother added. Jamie made a smart choice to eat healthy most of the time. They enjoyed healthy meals together as a happy family. Healthy food makes you strong, active, and happy. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories with Jamie. See you in the next episode.